What's up, everybody? Today we are in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, and I'm with some friends. Now, why am I in Punxsutawney? We're gonna go over that a little bit later in this video, but for now, we're with Mr. Alex Kolopinski and Stacy Boxbay. So today, all three of us are going to pick up a 2010 Honda Element for $1,000. This one has the typical frame raw underneath, and it's about 2 hours and 45 minutes away from here. We're gonna go there, spend the night there, and then come back to Punxsutawney tomorrow for a surprise. We'll update you guys on the road. Alex got Stacy a gift. What did he get you?
He got me this Yukon, is that how you say it? GMC cooler, and this Volvo 1996 960 owner's manual set. My plates and the wafer.
Oh, wow. Good idea, Alex. Wow.
And a cast iron cleaner.
That's for your mother.
I'm gonna throw up.
What was your thoughts when I first sent you this vehicle? I forget what I said. What did I say?
You said like, "Hi Alex, how's your Saturday going?" And I was in my basement cleaning, and I said, like, "So far it's going good." But I had a feeling something was up. And then I was like, "Well, it is what it is."
There goes my weekend.
Yep, somehow I get sucked into this every time.
We're almost there. We can see what this thing looks like. I already know it's super rusty, but if the front end's good, then that's what I came for. There it is.
Let's see, why did we come all this way? Oh, look at that, folks. Don't worry, it's not for me. It's for Bugs. Did I hit it with the trailer?
We're here. Let's go take a look at it. She's pretty. Yeah, this is super nice, and it's hard to tell because it's raining, but it looks nice. Then here's the interior. Super, super clean. And it's got the cooler in here. And it has 150,000 on it. Okay, camera lady Stacy's gonna take over. Best girlfriend ever.
This is trippy.
Keep coming.
God.
Oh yeah, I don't want the ramp to fall.
You're good.
Oh God.
Yeah, keep coming. See if you can go that way a little.
Please kill me.
So we got the two boards we used to drive it up on. We're just strapping them down now. Here's the issue. This is the trailing arm on the driver's side. Completely torn apart, but everything else is pretty scaly under there. It is loaded up on the trailer. Where are we going to eat?
I'm hungry.
Someplace expensive.
I'm gonna get the most expensive thing on the menu.
Logan,
We've...
God, I would kill you.
Okay, we're at Ruby Tuesdays. They're very hungry. Let's go eat.
Here we are at, where are we? Kentucky Fried Chicken or
Yep.
something? What do we have?
Of course, Alex says Kentucky Fried Chicken instead of KFC.
I would too.
What are you doing with this breadstick?
Alex, you can have my breadstick.
Thank you. Now we've got dessert. KFC.
Okay, we're here at the Fairfield Inn. Stop! We're at the Fairfield Inn. The car is parked back there.
And I'm carrying my suitcase so it doesn't make noise on camera.
Wow, this guy's a professional.
Room 303.
Okay, folks, we're in. Don't. Wow.
Wow.
Thanks to Alex's free points, we're able to stay in this wonderful hotel tonight. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I got apparently my girlfriend's entire life packed on me right now.
Literally yours too.
So we're leaving the hotel and we're going back to Punxsutawney for the special event that I have planned. And the elements survived the night. We can get a look at it in the day. Rust all over the door. The tires aren't bad. There's no rust on the lower tailgate, which I'm super happy about. It's a nice piece. No visible rust over here on these doors. And then the front end is what I'm most concerned about, but everything looks good. A few chips in the hood, but that's not an issue. Here you go. Bag 1 and bag 2. Thank you. What are you doing?
My taillight's about to fall off again. This is the one we paid $40 for.
Yeah, we don't want that to fall out again. What?
My taillight fell out. I saw something when we were driving. I looked out the mirror and I saw this red thing. And I was like, is it like maybe there was a red towel in the back? Right around the tailgate. Right over the dirt and everything.
There you go. That's not going anywhere.
Alright, should I fix the bed?
Oh yeah, might as well while you're there.
Nice.
Only on junked elements.
That's right.
We're feeling a bit unprepared for this meet, so we gotta go get dripped out. Okay, we're looking for some top hats right now. Here's the hat section over here. Let's see what they have. Man. Only summer hats? There's some hats over here, but I'm not seeing any top hats. Came to get top hats, leave them with cowgirl boots.
What is better, everybody? Sheets or Wawa? I think Wawa is better than Sheets.
I think Wawa is too. Okay, we are back in Punxsutawney. This is where we're gonna have a few more people join us today. Just came back from Walmart. We got one element here. So we got the element I just bought, Stacy's element, and then we got my friend Mikey's element here. And he's got a full bed set up in the back. So he's ready to go. Already putting the element to use. Thank you. In here.
Okay, we're about to get a very awkward shot of me blowing my nose because I have 1 minute.
Welcome. Yay.
Not an Amazon OEM, so whether or not it's actually OEM,
I got a few of those. They seem to work good.
Welcome to Elements on the Knob. On the corner here is a candy shop, and this guy is an element owner, so we're gonna go in and talk to him.
Kind of, sort of.
Maybe I punched you.
Let's go.
Sugar daddy. For my sugar daddy.
Oh, that's right.
We love Hondas.
Yeah.
So we have a pilot because we haul things too. And they're like, I don't want any other car but an Element. So they're like shopping for Elements. I'm like, kids, you're gonna get this one. We're gonna get another one. Like, calm down.
Yo, is this a Honda Element? No, we're just looking at the Element.
You guys have helmets?
Yeah.
Yep.
Take a look, man. That's my car. What's going on, guys? What's up?
We're having an element meet called Elements on the Knob.
Okay.
And it's up at Walmart, but we're all gonna get together like 3 in the morning, take the bus, and go experience Groundhog Day together.
So is this the first time for Groundhog Day?
Not mine.
My first time. They've been here.
This is my first time.
Okay. It's gonna be cool. It's like a Whatever, it's not party, it's cool though.
Anna's like hands are cold. Imagine how warm their hands are. 18 hours to Japan and then 6 hours.
It's getting dark here in Punxsutawney. You know we gotta get some kettle corn.
Yeah, I have a couple. I brought you one. No, I have some.
All right, this is the final group of elements we got here. We're gonna hit the hay tonight and wake up at like 3 in the morning tomorrow. And then there's gonna be a line all the way down there to get on the bus to go up to Gobbler's Knob. So I'll see you at 3 in the morning. Good night. Here's the line starting from all the way down there, all the way down here to get on the bus. Welcome aboard. Choo choo. Good morning. Good morning. We're on the Knob bus. The Knob bus. We're on the Knob bus.
You're giving your guys good old time for this.
I said long live, you say Phil! Long live! Phil! Long live! Phil!
Here we are at top Gobbler's Knob.
Back to the fans and the show with the knob and the knob and draw and gone to the scrolls to the stump to the hole and the hole is the hog and the hog from Punxsutawney. Roll, the rattling hog, the hog from Punxsutawney. Rare hog, the rattling hog, the hog from Punxsutawney. Rare hog, the rattling hog, the hog from Punxsutawney.
It's time! I want to talk about this cane. This cane is handed down from president to president and gives me the ability to understand Phil's in Groundhogese through winks, nods, chirps, purrs. I'll be able to understand Phil and know which scroll to choose. Now I'm going to talk about what's going to happen up here. I'm going to take this cane and will knock 3 times on the barrel door. He will then be lifted by his handler, A.J. DeRoon, and held high for all to see. He will then place Phil upon the stump, where Phil and I will have a little talk about whether he sees his shadow or not. If it's his shadow he sees, 6 more weeks of winter, there will be no shadow, an early spring. So Phil will then let me know which scroll, and it will be read by our Vice President, Dan McGinley. Daybreaker, please place the royal red carpet upon the stump. Moonshine, place the scrolls. Gentlemen, gather around. It's a tradition to get Phil fired up by chanting, Phil, 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 Phil. It's Punxsutawney Phil! Phil's made a choice.
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Now on this February 2nd, Punxsutawney Phil, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, was awakened from his wintry nap at dawn on Gobbler's Knob. Phil looked to the skies and then, speaking in Groundhogese, directed the president to the proper scroll, which reads, "What a way to start a Sunday fun day. You always said you'd make it here one day. To this place, barely big enough to contain ya. To this sweet Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We're all here with the elements combined, where Mother Nature meets Father Time. To hear the truth, are those gray skies? Only I know you can't trust AI. It's Groundhog Day, and maybe life is on a loop. But I miss my burrow, I miss my coop. So I'm headed back down. There's a shadow up here. Get ready for 6 more weeks of winter this year.
And now we take the 1.5 mile trek back down to the cars.
Phil did not come through today. Bad news, everyone's sad.
Okay, it's 9 a.m. Our route's taking us up past the knob. We're gonna see how many people are still waiting for a bus. You guys got a long wait! Long wait! Okay, we just arrived at Cracker Barrel and we're hungry and tired, so we're gonna go eat. Now we're home and we're coming to the little element storage spot to unload this element. Right there. Oh boy. The element is in its spot for now. I'm gonna be moving this soon, but we're just putting it here for now. And we're headed back to my house right now to get some sleep. Poor Alex is leaving and has to drive home in the snow. But there goes Alex. Thank you, Alex. Everybody say thank you, Alex, because this trip would not have been possible without him. This element's being used for parts, so if you guys need anything, let me know. I've already sold some parts off of it. But everything's available, engine, transmission. Just leave a comment or send me an email. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.